Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Instagram boomerang effects. If you're using Instagram and you want to use your Instagram boomerang effects, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile option in the top right or this plus story option. So you must have to select that and here just tap on the camera option. Now from here you'll see a sidebar. You must have to select the sidebar and here you'll get the option of boomerang. You must have to enable that from here. So once you have enabled, your boomerang filter is now enabled. Now you just have to try to record something, and once you have recorded, here you'll see a boomerang option here. You must have to select that, and you can see the preview of your recording. So once you have done, here's the boomerang original, here's the slow-mo of your boomerang. So once you have done, just tap on the done option in the top right, and here you can do more editings if you want, or you can directly share it to your story. So in this way, you can easily use Instagram boomerang effects in your Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.